Fashion of Korea has gained popularity, so does the fabric of Korea. As a wholesaler, Swatch-On offers more than 200,000 fabrics and ships them to more than 50 countries in the world. As Swatch-On is sending fabrics, they often send parcels in plastic bags. This is the reason why they use the may.L model. This OIML certified technology measures accurately the volume and weight of both cuboid and non-cuboid packages. It helps improve business efficiency and reduce human errors, which is especially important when exporting goods. Swatch-On is using the default software provided by welltec. BSC brings the measurement data to the computer. It can also work together with the system the customer is currently using. We introduced may.L today. For the introduction of may.S, please watch our other videos on YouTube or contact us directly. Contact info is in the description box. See you next time.